Hari Om children, today shall we start the continued part of numbers up to 1000? Let us start with the prayer. Om. Om. अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Today we will learn numbers from 601 to 1000. 601 to 1000. Last class, what all we have studied, once we will brush up. Last class we have studied numbers from 300 to 600. 300 to 600 and completing the tables. Open page number 38. There you need to write 601 to 700. Okay, you complete all these numbers. Now I will move on to complete the table. Down below they have given the table, no? Okay, we will write this number. See the number, what numbers they have given: 611, 614, 617. So what would be the next number, children? Think, no? 611. So after 611, 612 they have skipped, 613 they have skipped, return 614. Then the next number is 615. After 614, 15 they have skipped, 16 they have skipped and return 617. The same pattern we need to follow for all these boxes. Okay, 617. After 617, 618, 619 you need to skip and write 620. Then after 620, 621 and 22 we need to skip, write 623. After 623, 624 and 625 we need to skip, write 626. After 626, 627 and 628 we need to skip, write 629. Then after 629, 630 and 631 we need to skip. Now you write 632. After 632, 633 and 634 we need to skip. Right now 635. After 635, 636 and 637 we need to skip. Write the number 638. We will move on to the next sum. Here it is 651, 654, 657. After 657, 658, 659 you need to skip. Write 660. After 660, 661, 662 you need to skip. Write 663. After 663, 664 and 665 you need to skip. Write 666. Then after 666, 667 and 668 you need to skip. Write 669. After 669, 670 and 671 you need to skip. Write 672. After 672, 673 and 674 you need to skip. Write 675. After 675, 676 and 677 you need to skip. Write 678. The next one 670, 673, 676, 679. So, after 679 you need to skip 680 and 681. Write 682. After 682, 683 and 84 you need to skip. Write 685. After 685, 686 and 687 you need to skip. Write 688. After 688, 689, 690 you need to skip. Write 691. After 691, 692 and 693 you need to skip. Write 690. Four, 94. After 694, 695 and 696. We need to skip, right? 697. Understood, children? Now you open page number 39. Here you complete all these numbers from 701 to 800. Okay, write horizontally 701, 702, 703, 704, 705, 706, 707, 708, 709 and 710. Okay, complete all this till 800. Now we will start with this, complete the table. Okay, 704, 708, 712. So see, after 704, 705, 706, 707, they are skipping and then writing the 708. Okay, they are moving forward 3 numbers. So they are writing 708. Then after 708, 709, 710, 711, they are skipped and then return 712. The same way we need to follow for other number also. 712. After 712, 713, 714 and 715 we need to skip. Now you write 716. After 716, 717, 718, 719 we need to skip, write 720. After 720, 721, 722, 723 we need to skip, write 724. After 724, 725, 726, 727 we need to skip, write 728. After 728, 729, 730, 731 we need to skip, write 732. After 732, 733, 734, 735 we need to skip, write 736. After 736, 737, 738, 739 we need to skip, write 740. Okay, the next one 711, 715, 719 and 723. So after 723, 724, 725, 726 we need to skip, write 727. After 727, 728, 729, 730 we need to skip, write 731. After 731, 732, 733, 734 we need to skip, write 735. After 735, 736, 737, 738 we need to skip, write 739. After 739, 740, 741, 742 we need to skip, write 743. After 743, 744, 745, 746 we need to skip, write 747. Next one, 776, 780, 784. The next number is 788. Next number is 792. After 796, 797, 798, 799. After 799, which number comes, children? It is 800. $804. The next number is 808. Next is 812. Understood, children, how to complete the table? Open page number 40, children. Here 801 to 900 you need to write the numbers. Then after that, below this they have given the exercise, complete the table. Okay, we will start writing the table. You complete these numbers at home. Okay, see these numbers: 802, 804 and 806. So 807 they have skipped. Now you need to write 808. 809 you need to skip, write 810. 811, you need to skip right 812. 813, you need to skip right 814. 815, you need to skip right 816. 817, you need to skip right 818. 819, you need to skip right 820. Next one, 852, 854, 856, 858. So the next number is 859. They have skipped right 860. Next number is 861. We need to skip right 862. Next number is 863. That you need to skip right 864. 865, you need to skip right 866. Next number is 868. 870. Next one, 881, 883 and 885. They are given. The next number will be 887. 888, we need to skip right 889. After 889, 890, we need to skip right 891. After 891, 892, we need to skip right 893. 895. 897. 899. open page number 41. Here you need to write the numbers from 901 to 1000. 901 to 1000. Okay, complete all these children and then complete the table also. See here 961 and 964, 967, 970. So after 961, 962, 963, 962, 63, 60 they have skipped and written 964. So after 964, 965, 966 they have skipped and written 967. So the same way you need to follow for this pattern. Okay, complete all this. From today onwards we will start writing the notes, children. Okay, all of you people are having the square book, no? Open the first page. In leftmost corner write the date. Today mention your today's date. Okay, then leave one line, then after that write the heading, write the numbers from 1 to 200. Write the heading. Okay, give finger space and then write the words. Okay, write the numbers from 1 to 200, then after that leave one line and then start writing vertically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then after that leave one box and then write 11 12 13 14 like this. Okay, till 200 you need to write like this only. Okay, follow the same procedure. We will conclude today's session, children. Hari Om. Thank you.